You're uptight about noises outside in the night. Outdoor lighting systems can cost a fortune, and leaving lights on all night drives utility bills out of sight. You need the Bionic Spotlight from JML, the outdoor motion sensor light that is motion activated, so it automatically turns on the instant motion is detected and turns off when the motion stops. Bionic Spotlight is solar powered, so there's no expensive wiring or batteries to change. Simply place it where the solar panel can soak up the sun, and you're done. The panel collects the sun's energy to charge all day, so it has the power to provide light when and where you need it all night. Bionic Spotlight looks just like a professional security camera that is actually a high-tech security light with smart motion sensing technology. Look, the instant the motion sensor detects movement, Bionic Spotlight triggers 8 high-intensity LED lights that shower the entire area with light, covering over 600 square feet. And the light shuts off 30 seconds after the motion stops, so there's no more arriving home to a dark house. Illuminate walkways and stairwells for visitors and guests. Light up your garden at night or play areas for children and pets. Add Bionic Spotlight to your driveway and to help secure garages and sheds. And it's weather resistant. Stop wasting money installing expensive lighting systems. Get the solar-powered, motion-activated sensor light, the Bionic Spotlight from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.